So we haven't stayed in this room yet. This is day one, of course. So I will come back with you after a few days on board the ship to let you know how this room sleeps, if there are any weird, strange noises or smells coming from anywhere. I don't foresee that being a problem, but I want to make sure that I address those issues with you. This, of course, will be the entryway into the room. Inside, you'll find 2 hooks on the wall, which are perfect for your medallions hanging on lanyards. Right at the doorway, there is a large, squeaky closet that houses your life jackets, as well as a very large area for you to put whatever necessities that you have to put in there. Area here with shelves, and of course with your safe. You have 3 full drawers. Those are nice and handy. And a beautiful closet here. It is glass, and when you open the doors, interestingly enough, the lights turn on. Inside the closet, you will find plenty of hangers at the top, as well as shelves along the bottom. At the desk area, you have a drawer, a couple of drawers actually. One, just to note, has a hair dryer that they do provide here for you. There's the hair dryer. In this cabinet, you will find the refrigerator. There are some shelves in the room, as well as an ice bucket and some glasses for you to use. A very lit up, beautiful mirror for you to get dressed at, along with some desk area with some space, some drawer space here for you. There's a small side table that is also provided in the room that you can move around wherever you'd like to put it. A large TV mounted to the wall, and one of the first things we noticed is that this TV, Princess Cruise Lines, offers regular TV channels, which is kind of unusual for cruises. Usually you have a very small prescribed list of the things that they show. It appears to be like a queen size bed, which is pretty typical for a cruise ship. On both sides of the bed is a nightstand. It is lighted at the bottom, which I think is pretty nice. There's a drawer and some cubby space. And on both sides of the bed, you have the main light switches for the room, as well as a regular outlet, a USB outlet, and a USB-C outlet. On both sides of the bed, you will also find a reading light that once you pull it from the wall, it will turn on automatically. And of course, as most balcony rooms have, they will have a large comfy sofa. And just to mention, the colors in here are so nice and bright. It is not dreary at all. It is very clean. It still smells new. Loads of shelving options here for you. And on the counter, they do provide some body lotion as well as hand wash, and a beautiful shower with a glass door. Inside the shower, you will find body wash, conditioner, and shampoo for you to use. There is a shaving bar at the bottom of the shower, which is nice. And this does have a, what I'll call a night light at the bottom. When you open this door, that light automatically comes on. One of the coolest functions of the medallion is how it activates the locking mechanism on your door. When you walk up to your door, you will see a keypad like this. It has your name on it, your picture of whoever's closest to it. It has a couple of buttons that you can push. One is, this is on the left, privacy please. That's kind of like your do not disturb. And then the second one says service stateroom. That means that you have left your room and you would like for your room steward to clean it. As you see, mine is activating because I am standing here next to the door. So the medallion, when it comes close to your door, it unlocks the door hands-free so that you do not have to stick anything in a slot. You don't have to turn a key. It automatically unlocks the door for you, as you can see right there. Door unlocked. Lights up green. And then when you leave your room and step away from the door, it locks it back automatically. So that is one super cool feature with this medallion. So all in all, my end of cruise honest thoughts on this room. This was a fabulous room. The things that we always think about when booking a room, of course, is the location. We love this location. Just FYI, this room number is 16211, so that means it is on the 16th floor, room 211. If you look at a ship's map, you'll see that this room is very forward on the boat. At the end of this hallway, there are only 4 or 5 other rooms between here and the end of that hallway. So we do not have a lot of traffic between us and an exit. To go out of our room, to go to the exit, you make a left. So to that right-hand side is just a few rooms. So the people that's passing by our room are only the ones that are staying in those rooms at the end of the hallway. So that has really limited the amount of traffic beside our room. If you make a left out of our room, we only have to go a very short distance before we find the forward elevators. The room itself, of course, this is a brand new ship, so it'd be hard to complain about the room condition. Everything has been perfect. All of the fixtures, the furniture, the linens, the carpeting, everything has the fresh new smell, so there's absolutely no complaints whatsoever with that. There has been no obnoxious or weird smells in this room. The only time that we've heard any noises, at times on the balcony in the evening, we hear the sound of the stewards moving the deck chairs upstairs, which is the pool area. So it's not that people are out there using the chairs, but they have them laid out during the day, and in the evening they will stack all those back up, and we do hear that, but that typically lasts maybe 20 minutes. The layout of this room is wonderful. Plenty of cabinet space, plenty of drawer space. There are cabinets and drawers that we did not even use. Having all that space enabled us to organize the room very, very well. So it met all of our needs, met all of our expectations. It was a wonderful room in that regard.